Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily hide comments in Instagram app. Please friends, don't forget to write your comments under this video. Also put your likes and subscribe to our channel. So let's go ahead and get into this topic. And I want to show you from the very beginning how you could hide comments. So, open up your Instagram app. And then you need to go to your page. And then select the post that has comments that you would like to hide. So friends, as you can see below the post, you can see that there are comments as well as the number of comments. Please click on this comment option right here. And now, in order to hide any of them, you will just have to click on the word hide under the comment. As you can see, in this way, the comment was instantly hidden. And you have this option, View Hidden Comments. Only you can use it because your subscribers will not be able to see it. You'll be able to view all the comments that you have previously hidden by clicking on this option. And you can also remove a comment from the Hidden Comments section. To do this, click on this option under the comment. Confirm your action. And as you can see, immediately the comment goes back to the list of all comments that are under a certain post. This is the way you will be able to hide comments in Instagram. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also put your likes, write comments under this video. See you soon.